Hi guys, it's Rachel here, and this is just a quick video to show you I have some new kits. So I'm just going to put them aside. I just couldn't help myself. I just had fun working on them. So I'll show you here. Okay, so I'd had a few questions about a few papers that I had used, and I didn't actually have them in kits yet. So this is kit 1. It's 12 pages. It's a bit similar to the other. I called them old book pages or bookend pages, but some of them might be like old wallpaper fragments, and also there could be some old fabric design in there, or even sometimes old pieces of fabric. So I did what Steffi did and made them. They might have been like a single piece, and I made them repeat and tried to sort of mesh them together. This is all original, these lines here. I didn't do those. So yeah, so this, I'll show you this kit. I tried to sort of balance the kits with the colours, and you know, do all of the usual things. So that's a bookend or book cover, old book cover paper. This might be an old wallpaper, but I thought this could be cool also for, oh, excuse me, for cutting out the flowers and things like that. And then there's this one here. I think that was an old wallpaper. And then this one, that was an old wallpaper sample. This is a fabric, but I thought it was nice and textural. And you could even print it on fabric and you get the fabric look again. And then this one here, this is one of the ones I was asked about. I think that I was asked about a blue one that I was using. I think that might have been a Graphics Fairy one. But that's a similar, this one is a similar blue to the one that I was using. And there's this one, this one, this one. And then this one here, and then this one. This is one that Steffi had, I put it together, but Steffi had used it a bit. It was a navy blue sort of colour, and I've altered the colours there in that one. So I thought I like the browns and the blues like that. So that's kit 3. That's 12 pages, and you get the PDF and the JPEGs. Then I did them all a bit out of order. This is kit 4, and this is a pattern paper, and it's this paper in various colorways, and I really like it. So there's a few different blues, because you know me and blue, we love each other. There's this one here, and I love these for collaging and backgrounds and things. And then there's this like deeper sort of greeny turquoisey sort of color. This is kind of like a sagey sort of green, a little bit gray, a bit sagey sort of color. Then this is like a more lime sort of green, which I really like. And then this aqua blue. And then this one's kind of like a orangey sort of red, and then the color, the background color is kind of like a bluey sort of color. I really like how that turned out. And then I love this sort of sepia. It's a light sepia sort of color, light brown sort of color as well. So I thought they're quite useful. I think there's 8 of those. And then the next one is kit 5. And then this is again, same papers. They could have been wallpapers, some of these. And then they're just done in a few colorways. But there's 3 patterns in this one. So there's this turquoisey blue, this sort of deep burgundy, sort of reddish sort of color in this one. I didn't do them all the same. And then a nice bright French sort of blue, I would call that. Or even sometimes the Spanish coast, the Costa Brava, they have, especially in the town where my uncle had his house, they had those sort of blue shutters and the white towns. And then there's this one in 3 different colorways. So there's a sagey green, a blue, and it's a raspberry sort of red with a pinkish sort of background. And then this one here, you've got, I love this kind of color. My mum loves this color. So it's like a acidy sort of yellowy green color. And then really, I love how that green turned out. Sagey sort of green, and then again, a raspberry red. So there's 9 pages in that one. Just great for collaging these. And then I have this one again. So this one is different to the other one in here. So you've got, ones are more greeny, see it's green, and this is more blue. And then, oh, wait, it is different though. So this has got the blues, and then this is like, it's got green there. So they're similar but different. So this one's got more green in it. So this is kit number 6, and this one has 12 pages in it. So there's this one here. This was a fabric. I've put the pattern repeat in myself because it was just one piece of it. And then this one here, the same deal. I tried to match them as best as possible. Absolutely love that. That's a piece of fabric. This is a wallpaper sample, but I really love the colours, just to add a bit of colour. Here's another one of those yellowy sort of ones. I love that. And then this one here, I just thought that's a nice sort of neutral colour. And then this one, and then another sort of, it looks like a fabric sort of wallpaper. I think that one, a little bit oriental, but very pretty. And then this one I did the pattern repeat because it was just 2, so I made it 4. So that here it doesn't match, but it all blends in, and I think I really like the colorway of that one. And then this is another book page, and then this is a wallpaper sample just to add a bit of color, and then this one here, which is really gorgeous, that one. So there we go. So that's the kits. I couldn't stop myself, so I ended up preparing all these pages, and so then I had to put them all into kits, and this is why I end up with so many printouts, because and then I had to test them and all that sort of thing. So anyway, I hope you enjoy those, and lots of fun to play with. And you can print them on textural paper or on fabric and have all kinds of fun with those. And I've just posted my tag video, so I hope you enjoy that. And I will see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.